It may be Super Bowl weekend, but many Cleveland fans are still talking about Johnny Manziel. Dallas police have opened a criminal investigation on the troubled Browns quarterback, and tonight we're hearing from a legal analyst on what's next for Johnny. Shanice Dunning joins us with more. Hey, Shanice.
Hey, Liddy. Yeah, for the past year, Manziel has made headlines for his bad behavior, and now with a criminal investigation looming, fans and legal experts weighed in on what might happen to the Cleveland quarterback. Dallas police say they are investigating what happened during a fight between Johnny Manziel and his girlfriend, Colleen Crawley. Crawley told police on January 30th Manziel struck her several times in a Dallas hotel. Police say Crawley was uncooperative at first, but later filed a police report about the incident.
We see delay outcries all the time.
Scott Palmer is a Dallas defense trial attorney who says that hesitation in these cases isn't unusual.
Especially in family violence situations, dating relationships, people have, they want to think about what they're going to do before they actually call the police. And of course, the delay in the outcry sort of chips away at her credibility.
Dallas police are investigating to see if there will be any charges made. Palmer says if Manziel is charged with a misdemeanor assault, then he could face a year in Dallas County jail and a $4,000 fine. But Palmer says it's likely Manziel will just be put on probation. Cleveland fans are mixed about what should happen to the troubled quarterback.
I think if he made a really good turnaround, that we'd all stay loyal with him.
And I feel bad for anyone who has personal problems. I really do.
The kid has a lot of great potential, definitely, but you know, the fact that he keeps getting in trouble sort of just puts a lot of pressure on our city.
And this is the second incident between Crawley and Manziel. In October, police pulled him over after he had an argument with her in his car in Avon, but he wasn't charged. Lydia?
It may be Super Bowl weekend, but many Cleveland fans can only talk about, of course, Johnny Manziel. Dallas police have opened a criminal investigation on the troubled Browns quarterback, and tonight we're hearing from a legal analyst for what's next for Manziel. Shanice Dunning joins us with the story. Hey, Shanice.
Hey, Lydia. Yeah, I talked with a legal analyst, like you said, tonight. And last week, we told you that Dallas police said that Johnny Manziel was involved in a domestic dispute with his ex-girlfriend, Colleen Crawley. Now, Crawley told police that Manziel struck her several times at a Dallas hotel, and now the police are investigating the incident. I spoke with Scott Palmer, who is a defense attorney, a defense trial attorney, I should say, in Dallas. He says there's a possibility that Manziel could be charged for a misdemeanor assault, and if so, he could face up to a year in Dallas County Jail and pay a $4,000 fine. Manziel's ex-girlfriend hesitated to file a police report right after the dispute, and Palmer says that's not unusual.
Especially in family violence situations, dating relationships, people have, they want to think about what they're going to do before they actually call the police.
Palmer also says because Manziel is a first-time or would be a first-time offender, it's likely that he would not serve jail time and he would be put on probation. Lydia?